guess who's back? Back again.
This embarrassing girl is back. I'm back. Yeah, that was quite a long pause of me making videos. Did not mean for my little hiatus to be that long, but we are back. We're good to go. Sup? Like, I missed you guys so much. Like, I'm sorry for leaving you guys and not really saying like why or anything like that. Honestly, it's had like a lot of stuff going on, and a part of me was kind of nervous of posting a video and then just like going MIA for another like couple of months, and I didn't want that. I wanted to make sure for like filming a video that once I was doing it, I was gonna be back for good. So here I am. It just feels really good to be back. Again, I miss you guys. I miss talking to you like in the comments. So I guess without further ado, here is my get ready with me and my explanation as to where I've been. Hey guys! So here is my makeup free face. I didn't want to do the intro looking like this because I haven't been on YouTube in a little while, and I didn't want the first image to be makeup free. So let's get started on the get ready with me. So for primer, I am using the Becca Backlight priming filter. So I've only used this primer a couple times, and so far I've liked it, and so I don't know if I'll buy the full size, but I'm enjoying the little sample. Okay, and then also for foundation, I'm also trying out a little sample. It is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover Full Coverage Foundation. Got my little itty bitty one here. I don't even know if this is gonna be the right color for me. Let's hope it is. Oh gosh, that might be too much. Oh shoot. Oh, that's too much. Oh shoot, okay. It's a little dark. That's me being pale. Hello. Ah! This is why we have our hair back. I got foundation in my hair. So, some of you might be wondering, like, girl, where you been at? And I've just been, honestly, just trying to figure out what to do with my life. I didn't mean to take this long of a break. I'm pretty sure my last video was in July of 2016, which again didn't mean to be that long. It just kind of happened. Cause I think it was like 2 weeks after I had posted that video, I had gotten a full-time job. I was working at the Clinique counter at Sears, which, yeah, I was there for like a little bit. It didn't work out. And then I was kind of hoping to get back into YouTube after that, because it was full-time and I just didn't have the time to film. I just didn't have like the motivation like I used to, like when I was making videos pretty frequently. Okay, this is definitely a little too dark for me. God, even me trying to blend it down my neck is not really helping. Shoot. Oh well. Okay, so I think instead of showing you each product I'm going to use, I'll have a list down below just to save time, I guess. Around the time that I stopped making videos was around the time that I had gotten a new boyfriend. I don't want to blame him for like me not making YouTube videos. Like, no. I just didn't have the motivation or like really the want to make videos when I was with him. But now that he's kicked to the curb, I'm feeling better. Oh God, this is way too dark. I like the finish of it, just it's too dark. Oh, so after I left Clinique, I pretty quickly got another job at Sephora. Which, you know, me being a makeup girl, that was like my dream job. Like, Sephora, yes. But it wasn't really what I thought it was going to be honest. Well, I started off as being a seasonal cashier, and that was cool. I don't know why, but I really enjoy being a cashier. I don't know, I just like talking to the people and all that stuff. So after the holidays were over, they asked me to stay on full time, or like part-time, whatever, which I'm like, awesome, thank you. With me like being offered to stay on year round, I was hoping I would be able to get the training to be like on the sales floor selling makeup. When you're in the makeup section, they call it like the color world. And so that's where I wanted to be either a cashier and doing color. But I don't know why, I just never got the training to be in color. I would ask, and oh yeah, we'll get you on that, don't worry, and then nothing would happen. So after being there for almost a year and like still not getting the training that I wanted, it was just kind of a waste almost being there. Yeah, I just wasn't really happy there, and so I was looking for another job. I got another job, that's where I am at right now, and that's full-time. And it's not in makeup, I'm actually a receptionist, and I don't know, like I really enjoy doing the paperwork, so. And like the people I work with are like amazing. And so, I don't know, I'm happy with where I'm at now. Now don't get me wrong, like, I don't hate Sephora, I didn't hate working there. It just wasn't what I thought it was gonna be, so. Move on. Even though that, like the job I'm at now is, like it's full-time, but also part-time benefits, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to make the time for videos as well, but that was just, I don't know. I just feel like that's me making excuses now, like, oh, I don't have the time, I don't have the time. It's like, girl, just make the time. So for eyeshadows, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions, or Mauve, however you prefer to say that. And just, girl, gorgeous. One other reason why I wasn't really able to film like somewhat recently, the past couple of months, is just because where I'm living now, more people have moved in. And so like I can never have a quiet space to myself to film. I just feel like I would be talking and then you just hear random ass noises in the background. Like loud noises, and I don't know, I like to be like calm and peaceful as I'm filming, and so that would just stress me out and just make me not want to film. But in the end, I just feel like I was just making excuses as to why I wasn't filming. It's like, okay, I feel good, I want to film. And then I would just kind of talk myself out of it almost. So I do have a few ideas now of like what to film in the future, so I'm excited on that. Bought myself a little agenda so I can write down all my ideas and all my thoughts. What else has been going on in my life? I'm so glad you asked. Back in January of 2017, I got a dog. I got a Boston Terrier. His name's Archie, and he is the cutest little thing ever. So there's that, my little guy. So yeah, I'm just trying to think of anything else that has been going on these past almost 2 years. I didn't even think it's been that long, but you know those like little Facebook memories of, oh, this happened like a year ago or 2 years ago. All my videos are coming up now, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like girl, it's been a while, it's been a minute. Also, I'm using the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang. And so far, like at first I really liked it, but now because it's kind of drying out a bit, not working as well. But like I do have a little like sample size, so it's not gonna last as long. I will say though, if you were interested in like trying it out or buying it, I find that throughout the day, it does kind of get like on my top lid, which is a little annoying, so I'll give you that heads up. Also, if there's any like video ideas or suggestions that you have for me, totally feel free to write that down below. So yeah, so where I am currently with life, honestly, to be real, I'm kind of still figuring out what I want to do with my life, with myself, with everything. Everyone keeps on saying, oh girl, like do makeup, like go to school for that, blah blah blah. And like here's my thing, I love makeup, like hence why I have a beauty channel. But at the same time, I don't want to be a makeup artist. Like I really like doing makeup on myself, and occasionally like my sisters and my friends will ask me to do their makeup, and I just don't feel like as confident doing makeup on other people, hence why you would go to school for that. But I just don't know if I want to be a makeup artist as a career. Just again, I really don't, I don't know, like I like putting makeup on people, but at the same time, I don't. I just really enjoy doing my own makeup. I don't know, like I still enjoy like acting as well. I kind of gave that, I don't want to say I gave it up, I just put it on a pause. Real talk here. I hate using my like anxiety and depression as a barrier, but at the same time, I don't know, it just gets intense sometimes, and it's just hard to motivate myself to do like anything. And so that's been the slight struggle of, again, stopping me from doing YouTube videos and just anything really. So much figuring out to do, y'all. So I hope like my explanation, this is gonna be like one explanation, but it's been like a bajillion. But my explanations as to why I haven't been on YouTube, I hope it like made sense. Like the time I've been gone, I've always had that thought in the back of my head being like, oh girl, like get back on YouTube. And I've even had people like tell me like, oh my gosh, like when are you gonna start your YouTube videos again? So that's been like a motivation as well to get back on YouTube, because I've had people miss it, which is again, so nice to hear, but again, taken back, like, oh my gosh, what? And finally for lips, we are using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Mauve, because oh my gosh, I went out with my friends last weekend and they were all like raving about this color. Like, girl, you gotta get it. Like, you're a makeup artist. You're a makeup junkie. Like, how do you not have this? I'm like, I know. And that is it for the makeup. Sorry. I'm just excited to be back. And so that is the get ready with me. Okay, so that is the finished makeup look. It just feels so good to be back on YouTube. Oh my gosh, like I miss this feeling of filming and talking to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely be making more, so don't worry about me disappearing again, because oops, did not mean to be gone for that long. Yeah, so just thank you for watching. Again, if you have any suggestions of any videos that you want to see me do, totally feel free to leave those down below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.